Hallo YouTube, hallo Welt, ich bin Flo der Sensemann und ich habe euch ganz recht herzlich willkommen heißen zurück zu Let's Play The Wolf Among Us. Und bevor wir Belle und Bigby begleiten auf dem Weg zu der Leiche, wo gerade TJ uns erklärt hat, wo er überhaupt diese Leiche gefunden hat, beziehungsweise was passiert ist, habe ich noch ein paar kurze Informationen für euch. Eine Information hebe ich mir für das Ende des Videos auf. Die andere Information ist einfach, es kann sein, dass es in meinem Let's Plays teilweise zu Rucklern kommen wird, also zu kurzen Bildschnitten. Das ist dann eben da, wo ich zwei Videos aneinandergefügt habe. Aus dem einfachen Grunde, dass die PlayStation 4 ja nur immer 15 Minuten aufnimmt und ich dann eben auch zwischendurch immer wieder ein Video, also das Spiel pausiere, einen neuen Part starte und deswegen kommt es immer zu den Rucklern, was natürlich hier bei The Wolf Among Us öfter mal vorkommen wird, denn wenn ich euch das jetzt mal zeige, ich habe nicht die Möglichkeit hier zu speichern. Das heißt, ich muss dann eben halt immer nochmal die Story bis dahin spielen, wo ich eben aufgehört habe das letzte Mal. Und das letzte, beziehungsweise die zweite Information, die behalte ich mir für gleich. Und ja, das liegt mir auch mit sehr am Herzen, was ich euch gleich erkläre. Aber ich würde sagen, reden wir jetzt nicht mehr lange um den heißen Brei rum. Wir sollten uns die Leiche anschauen. Vielen Dank, TJ, dass du uns geholfen hast und wir jetzt endlich mit dem Fall fortfahren können. Snow?
Also, I'd like you to get me some information on this neighborhood watch program that the Mundys have.
I believe I already have some pamphlets on file.
You want to go look at the body now?
Sorry.
In a minute.
In a minute.
When you're ready.
Ich dachte, ich wäre jetzt fertig, aber ich muss jetzt erst noch zu dem Spiegel. Weil der Spiegel, der hat ja immer ein paar schöne Informationen für mich. Mirror,
Hey,
Mirror.
mirror.
Hello, Bigby. Nice to see you.
Ich glaube, wer ist der Mörder? Darauf kriege ich keine Antwort.
What were you showing Mr. Toad and his son?
Cinderella selling shoes, Rapunzel, Rose, and of course there's you. And I can't help note that you did not rhyme. Do try to stick to the rules next time.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Du hast doch noch nicht... Was? Zeig mir Twiddly-Dee und Twiddly-Dumm. Ah, ja, genau, hier von Alice im Wunderland müsste das sein. Zeig
Where
mir
can
mal.
I find Tweedledum? That piece of scum.
Gut gereimt. Okay. Sitzt in der Auto. Und was ist mit Tweedledee?
Okay, mirror. Can you see where the fuck is Tweedledee?
Oh, das ist schön. Das sieht irgendwie nach meinem Kühlschrank aus. Und wo ist Lily?
Mirror, mirror, show me Lily. And yeah, I think this rhyming thing is silly.
Some things cannot be revealed. Once again, these lips are sealed.
Okay.
Figures.
Ja, das war abzusehen. Aber versuchen kann man es ja mal, oder? Und wo ist Holly?
Mirror, mirror, show me Holly the troll, or I'll throw you down a hole.
No need for threats.
Ah, die ist wieder an der Bar. Ist ja nichts gewesen. Ha. Okay. weiter geht's. Ah, jetzt.
Any more questions?
I don't think so, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Das fragst du uns jetzt schon ein drittes Mal und ich sage jetzt ja.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Das war jetzt irgendwie abzusehen, dass er was vergessen hat, der gute Buffkin.
Come on.
Oha. Die Kammer des verwunschenen Brunnens. Werden hier alle Leichen aufbewahrt, die so... Oh wei, oh wei, oh wei, oh wei, ich sehe es schon.
Wow. I didn't realize...
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do.
Okay. Erstmal...
Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks.
Okay, gucken wir doch mal.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Was gibt's denn da an Tests? Ist da noch was?
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Und diese Zeichen habe ich doch schon mal gesehen.
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that. Why bother with the right perfume if the appearance isn't completely accurate?
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Entschuldigung. Okay. Ich hoffe, wir gehen jetzt nicht unter den Rock.
Marks.
Nein.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg, unless...
Don't be ridiculous.
Maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
Might be a cheap one, just to get the job done.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Okay. Nicht nur, dass wir jetzt vielleicht einen Schwarzmarkt aufgedeckt haben. Es ist doch eine nicht perfekte Kopie von Snow.
Rope marks.
She was tied up?
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh. Guck mal, hat sie nicht vielleicht... Das sieht nämlich so aus.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
Ah, Gott, Leichenstarre und so. Ich muss wissen, was da drin ist.
What
Es
are
tut
you
mir leid
doing?
für Leute, es tut mir wirklich leid. Ah, das...
Jesus, Bigby. What
Oh,
is it? Flowers.
Yeah.
Fliederblüte?
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Ist es okay, wenn ich
Snow,
mal
do you
so
mind
aufmache?
if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Das ist jetzt wirklich eine sehr, sehr seltsame Sache.
You still okay?
Sorry, that took longer than expected. What have you found out?
I haven't finished yet.
Well, get on with it then. We can't waste too much time here. The killer might be preparing another attack as we speak.
We should keep going.
Oh Mann. Dann machen wir doch mal weiter.
Are you wearing silk lingerie, Snow?
Why do you want to know?
I'm just trying to see if the clothes are exact.
They're not.
Schade. Die Halswunde gucke
Do
ich
you
mir nochmal
see that?
genau an.
Could be a bruise.
Ja, die hat einen blauen Fleck. Wurde fast scheinbar noch gewirkt.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
Und jetzt noch diese Tasche hier. Kordel?
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic,
Nein.
though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous.
You may be right. One way to find out.
Oha.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Might want to stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
Oha. Oha, oha. Oh, ich bin natürlich ein absoluter Puzzle-Fan. Ah, okay. Pass auf. So. So. Nein. Ich drehe mal ein bisschen am Rad. Ah, okay.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Wir schauen uns mal das Papier an. Oh, das ist ein Foto.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think this was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore.
Und natürlich jetzt noch die Locke.
Let me guess. It's my hair.
Yeah.
Ich glaube, das war zu viel für sie.
Who did this, Bigby?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding me.
Holy shit.
Haha, da sagst du
That
was.
helps explain the Glimmer. Kind of. Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
She looks like Holly.
The owner of the trip trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
Fable is Fable.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Du hast mir mal gerade gar nichts zu sagen, du Idiot.
This whole thing is complete bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Hi.
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment. This'll do.
Erstmal ist wechseln. Chill. Ich will dir
Okay,
nichts tun.
okay, I know. Just relax. I'm not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Jack.
Wolfie, my dear, how are you? Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
I just need to talk to Holly. Privately.
All right, just give us a second first. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
The toad was just here.
You said it looked like Snow White. That true, love?
Yes. It's true.
So we were just wondering why, of all the possible suspects in Fabletown, why would you arrest the poor old woodsman, who you know had nothing to do with these murders? Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack,
to...
find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. He fucking maimed you. Aren't you pissed? Cat got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble, Jack. I'm sick and tired of trouble. I don't want any more.
Holly.
What?
Bigby, look. 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister,
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister, has been missing for what? A few
Raus,
days
du
now?
nervst.
And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone. Hey, easy! Ah, fuck! What'd I do? It's an honest question.
Go fuck on up a beanstalk, Jackie boy.
Gran, you gotta learn some new lines. Let me tell you.
All right then. Actually, have there been any updates? Why'd you come here?
Da sage ich jetzt besser nichts zu.
The body you found.
Who was it?
I'm sorry, Holly. It was Lily.
God fucking damn it! Of course, the dear princess, Snow fucking White, is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you?
Chill.
If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
Oh, huh.
All right. Clear out. Give her some room.
I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Holly,
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
want
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine.
That was decent of you.
Gren,
Yeah?
take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Der muss das erste Mal aus der Bar raus. Nach Jahren. Das ist tragisch.
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often. She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Do you have any idea why she'd be glamored as Snow White?
What? Oh, God. I'm sorry. That was probably about... She was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie. The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees. It's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's okay. If it's
Pudding
too
and
much,
pie?
we don't have to do this.
Pudding and pie, huh? What do you know about the place?
It's a real garbage dump.
We can just go check it out. We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Lily.
Thanks for everything, Holly. Is there anything we can do to...
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
It's not charity. It's looking out for our own.
Is she? Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with trolls. We burn our dead by sunrise, or... I don't know. Some old world shit will fuck your soul up.
Of course.
Okay. Good.
Let's go down to the business office and start making the necessary preparations, all right? That club?
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed. Really, thanks. It just made everything easier.
Ihr erinnert euch, was in der letzten Folge gewesen ist, ne? Da waren wir nicht so freundlich. Und jetzt ist Bigby wieder allein unterwegs. Im Pudding and Pie.
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure?
I'm a friend of Georgie's. Where is he?
A friend? You're in luck. He's here. Come on. I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now.
Is he, alone in there?
He's working with one of the dancers, but don't worry about that. Discretion is our guarantee.
Na, wenigstens etwas.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure.
Did you know Lily? She worked here?
My lips are sealed. You'd better ask Georgie.
Wow!
Fuck's sake! What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit. Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
I can take it from here.
Good luck.
It's your face. You have to smile. You never smile. How many
Ja,
You're
Leute.
supposed to turn the clients on. That's your job. You want them to feel happy. You want them to think you feel happy. You want them to forget about your shoulders and those fucking narrow hips.
Ich werde das jetzt so machen, Leute. Ich werde diese Aufnahme für heute beenden, aber vorher habe ich noch eine Sache. Und zwar gehe ich mit der Hauptlautstärke runter, mache den Untertitel aus und was jetzt gleich kommen wird, das mache ich eigentlich normalerweise nur bei Outlast oder bei einem Horrorspiel. Und ich würde sagen, was das jetzt alles zu bedeuten hat, da klatsche ich doch mal in die Hand. Einmal geklatscht, schon ist das Let's Play vorbei, beziehungsweise dieser Part von The Wolf Among Us. Aber ich habe ja gesagt, ich habe zum Schluss noch eine Information, beziehungsweise ich möchte was loswerden. Und zwar bin ich gerade eben so beim Stöbern durch Twitch auf Tamuro gestoßen und der Nordi LP, und die unterstützen durch ihre Streams und die YouTube-Accounts die Deutsche Krebshilfe. Bei ihren Streams reden sie darüber, es läuft auch immer oben, wird angezeigt, wer wie viel spendet. Da ist es egal, welcher Betrag es ist, jeder Betrag ist wichtig. Und ich glaube für meinen Teil, dass eben das Thema Krebs sehr, sehr wichtig ist, auch nicht als Tabuthema behandelt werden sollte, denn ich denke, wir sind alle nicht davor gefeit, egal was für eine Art von Krebs zu bekommen. Und ja, ich möchte an dieser Stelle im Prinzip nur auf den Twitch- und YouTube-Kanal von eben Tamyro hinweisen, auf diese Aktion, die sie da machen. Ich finde sie persönlich sehr, sehr, sehr gut. Mich als Außenstehender, ich als Außenstehender finde es wirklich sehr, sehr toll, was die beiden da machen. Ich war jetzt nur kurz im Stream drin, habe mich mit denen mit denen ein bisschen unterhalten, beziehungsweise geschrieben, und ich finde es sehr, sehr toll, was die da machen. Wie ihr vielleicht merkt, ich habe mir dafür jetzt nicht wirklich etwas aufgeschrieben, außer den Namen von Tamyro. Weil ich dachte, ich möchte sowas gerne schnell auch in einem meiner Let's Plays sagen. Nicht um jetzt da mitwirken zu wollen, dafür habe ich nicht die Berechtigung, sondern einfach um auch darauf hinzuweisen, es gibt Leute, die eben durch das Zocken auch was vermitteln, die durch Zocken helfen möchten, wie beispielsweise jetzt Tamyro und der Nordi-LP. Finde ich persönlich eine sehr, sehr gute Sache. Und ich werde auf jeden Fall die beiden weiter verfolgen, und das war es im Prinzip auch schon. Links zu allem, was ich jetzt gerade da gesagt habe, findet ihr da unten in der Videobeschreibung. Mein Name ist Flo, der Sensemann, und ich hoffe, ihr nehmt mir diese doch sehr extreme Unterbrechung, beziehungsweise dieses etwas andere Ende des Let's Plays nicht übel. Und trotz allem sage ich, wir sehen uns das nächste Mal bei Let's Play The Wolf Among Us mit mir, dem Flo. Haut da rein. Tschüss.